Right guys, I wanted to do a quick walkthrough of GJ today. We've had a run up and then we've had this spike, and then the last couple of days we've been making a lower high and lower low. So we may well be seeing things starting to pull round, or at least moving down to here short term. We're looking more downside, I feel. So there's no obvious points immediately around price. Maybe in the wick above here could be of interest to us. So let's take a look on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we can see we had a break of structure here and an order block here. Before we broke this structure here, this was the bearish candle. So the opening of this candle and this breaker may be of use to us. I've done the walkthrough on the lower time frames and I didn't mark this, so I'm not sure if that's going to make a difference. I don't think price is going to come back that high, to be honest. But anyway, let's still mark them and see if they play any significant role in what unfolded today. Just mark the open prices of those. It's not even straight. So if I drop to the 1 hour, that is a order block, and then don't really see much of a FVG or anything there really. So let's drop down to the hourly. Then we can see that can be refined a bit to there, and then this one could probably be refined a bit to there. So from the 4 hourly perspective, I want to see what is going on here. So 2nd of March, and I want to move on to see what kind of played out during the day today. We had a push down that broke support, so maybe this could be our order block here. This candle that took the liquidity before this move here. So this could be an interesting area for us. Opening price there. And see what happens. It's more the so yeah, I'm also gonna make this the opening price, sorry. See if we can refine that all. Gives us something to look at anyway. And then okay, so we have here we have here a we'll have a break below this low and then a break above this high here, which could be interesting. We also have a more recent one here where we have a break beneath this low and a break of structure here. This one's coming back a bit far really, and then this high was taken out, so this one will be our new strong low. Now we need to see some kind of reaction in or around these 4 hour areas. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. So there's a 4 hour wick above our price. Part of that order block there. So if we mark that order block candle, push up the candle that took out the liquidity. So I think if we mark those wicks there, that could be a nice area to look in there. And then we come down to the 15-minute. We then need to break above this high here with a stop hunt. Let's play that forward. I'm going to go on the 5-minute, I think. Now, so we're still in Asia. We wait for Asia to finish. Still got this marked out from before. Oh. So I don't think we've had it yet. We need the break of structure or the stop hunt. This could be our stop hunt because this is spiked above these highs. And then there's our stop hunt. That's our stop hunt. And then we need our stop hunt and our break of structure. Not the most convincing breaks of structure yet. I'm trying to see if that was the move. So that's our break of structure. That's the break of structure I wanted. And then we have a small tiny imbalance above here. And the stop loss above that. So now we have stop hunt, break of structure makes this a strong high, and then we should retrace into that, and then we want to drop for Asian lows. Would be good. So now we want to see something like that, and then I don't know whether we get it. Yeah, that's it. And then boom. So that is a good example of how we can do the trading ranges using Asia. I mean, that would have been a 36-1 risk reward, so that would be pretty amazing. So yeah, these are what I try and trade myself. I'm still getting better at them. They take a bit of practice. Yes, the Asian range gives us an intraday guide. Excuse me, and then we refine down the higher time frames